You want to look in the back of your thing? Yeah, that's very good one. You look in the back here. You see this good one. There you go.
For Toyota. There's a Land Cruiser there. FJ45 1984 Toyota with the solar on top. Communication, wow. It's also air. Is there is that water? So there's a water for the shower there. So this is complete four-wheel drive. Wow, it's like a house completed. Look at that. You can go fishing as well.
Yeah.
Fishing there. Red Arc.
And the best, man.
The best, yeah.
And the Eagles.
Nice. And we have more stuff here to carry.
Push out curtain if anyone's around.
Yep.
Pin them up here. Push out curtain.
And this could become a roof as well.
No.
It's become like a cover, you know. Become a roof, you know.
Cover,
You could go a shade.
Yeah.
Feel like a shade, so yeah. It's a cover, but yeah. So nice. A lot of stuff can fit inside. Let's have a look at the back. Oh wow, more recovery stuff there. Oh, real extra. Wow, I love to have four-wheel drive like this. Complete with lights, LED lights there. Oh, you got the ladder there. Portable. Yeah. Recovery and then another roof there. Wow. 1984 Toyota. Thank you very much, sir. It's really good. Wow. This is Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. Nice. Love it. Nice. What's this? Wow.